Thank you very much for joining us. It is Serious Matters on Nnamdi TV. My name is Olukunle Abraham. Please do share our videos with others, like our videos. Please do subscribe if you have not done that yet, and also touch the notification button so that you can always get, first-class information whenever we come live, on our channel. Thank you very much for watching once again, and please do drop your comments. Always make them simple and civil as much as possible. However, we're going to be very, very quick on this particular one. This is Serious Matters and just the way it is. I'm just seeing things from a different perspective. However, I'd like to say happy weekend to you all. I would have really loved that we just leave this till tomorrow, but then I just felt that it's something that we should just discuss straight away. It's not going to be a very long video. Now, this issue of the kidney donor, I hope you know what I'm talking about. The issue of the Ekweremadu case being adjourned again, and this adjournment is now a long one that is extending into next year. I think sometime in May next year. And that is to say that Ekweremadu will continue to remain in custody till then. I've been thinking, why is the United Kingdom refusing to grant bail to this man? He's not a not known person. He's a known person. He's a politician. He's a former deputy senate president of Nigeria, and so he's not a well-known. He's not a not known person. So I wonder why they would not have, they are not granting him bail. And I thought aloud, do you think it's anything related to why Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, that if, I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Like, they are not releasing him because we are not releasing Nnamdi Kanu here. That's deep, right? Now, I'm just thinking aloud, though. I didn't say I heard anything. I didn't say, I'm just sharing with you, like, let's just think about it. Could there be any relation? Could there be anything connecting them together? Like the UK is trying to get back at us that, because Nnamdi Kanu is also a citizen. And so they have a right to, to lay claims to, he should be released and all of that. And so could there be a connection? Do you think there is a connection, or don't you think there is a connection between Nnamdi Kanu's not being released and Ekweremadu not being released on that side too? Because a court has granted Nnamdi Kanu, to be discharged and acquitted, has discharged him and acquitted him of all charges against him. Yet the federal government have brought up several other issues saying that he's releasing him is a threat to national security, and also that his rights can be set aside if he has to do with security. All sort of things coming up, with. Let's look at Ekweremadu's case. Now, they've been on trial over organ trafficking scheduled for Monday. It was scheduled for Monday. It's not going to hold now. The hearing is not going to hold. The Central Criminal Court, popularly known as Old Bailey, United Kingdom, has said, according to reports, recall that Ekweremadu and his wife on July 23, 2022 were being charged with Dr. Obinna Obeta on allegations of wanting to make payments for the procurement of an organ for their daughter, Sonia, from one David Unwamini. Following the allegation, Ekweremadu was detained in United Kingdom prison after the June 23rd arrest, but according to the latest report by Guardian.Nigeria, the court said it will not be sitting due to non-availability of Sonia, whose case was established. The court house official didn't categorically say whether the Ekweremadu sickly graduate's daughter Sonia is now defendant in the case for which her parents were arrested. You recall that the wife had been released. Now, the Old Burley official said they won't have to wait for long as the case will be released for some time during the week, the report added. The court's official maintained that although Monday, October 21st, 2022 was fixed when the couple and their co-defendant appeared before the judge on August 4th, Sonia wasn't listed in the hearing then, adding the judge won't be hearing the case because there is no counsel for Sonia. Well, let's keep it there. Like I said, I just brought up a discussion. I just want us to talk about it. It's serious matters. And so we wondered, because there has been delegations sent to the UK on this particular matter, and we expected that our own Ekweremadu would have been released. But then I just thought, I was just going through the news, and I just felt, are you are you? Is it not like these guys are trying to, you know, kind of get back to us or get back at us because Nnamdi Kanu is not being released? I don't know. You might look at it and wonder, wow, what's the relation? But I think I just was thinking. I was just thinking. And so, you just drop your opinions. Let us look at this together. Could this be that they're just trying to delay his own release and also, you know, delay? I mean, he's a high-profile person and he's not running anywhere, for crying out loud, you know. But then, I do think that there is a relationship between, you know, Ekwerimadu's not being released on that side in connection to why, or the non-release of Nnamdi Kanu by the federal government, you know, up till now. Just feel free to drop a comment, make them simple and civil. Just a thought, you know, it's a weekend and I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Just thinking aloud, and I'm just feeling like, okay, let's talk about it. You know, but then let me just round up by saying coexistence, you know, among nations could also help development of nations. Of course, the United Kingdom had welcomed a huge number of Nigerians in the last few months. And I was just talking to a brother a few minutes ago, and he said, well, it's heavy, it's thick, the influx is heavy. In fact, somebody was saying earlier that we have Nigerians on the street in the UK, you know, who are begging for food and, you know, who don't even have places. So the UK has welcome, and my brother was telling me earlier on today that, look, the UK is just an island, and it's not a big place that would accommodate everybody. But then the system had been generous enough to welcome, you know, Nigerians and other countries into the system. And so I believe that there will continually be a coexistence, and a beautiful one at that. Well, then let's still look at this matter, why Ekweremadu's case is being dragged with him being kept in detention, you know, regardless of his personality and all of that. Thank you very much for watching. It is Serious Matters on ONF TV. Please do share this video with others. Drop your